Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I just wanted to share with you a new bundle that we are attempting to keep up with. What it is, it's a 1 week weight loss bundle. And what you get with this bundle is you get 8 tortilla wraps, you get 8 chickens. We have all different flavors: Parmesan, Buffalo, Alfredo, Philly, fajita, plain chicken if you want to do chicken, bacon, and ranch. Okay, so you get that. You get 6 burgers. These are 93% lean turkey burgers. They're already cooked, and all you do is microwave them for 2 minutes. And you get 12 waffles to go with the burgers to make burgers. You get your choice of 7 bars or bombs. You can choose from peanut butter bombs, hormone bombs, or the mocha bars, or the coconut mounds bars. And you get 7 mixes. So this is your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack for the entire week for $100, guys. I don't think you can eat this healthy, this cheap if you try to shop yourself to do this, okay? So this is just our way of saying we love you. Thank you for supporting us. We're gonna try to do this and see if we can keep up with it. So I would prefer, I'm gonna have to edit it. It's okay. So what you do is in the morning, you can have like a mix in the morning for breakfast. And then for lunch, if you're hungrier in lunch, you eat a burger for lunch. If you're not as hungry for lunch, eat a wrap. And then for dinner, you have a burger or a wrap. And then for a bedtime snack, you can have a bar or a bomb, okay? So that's how you do it: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack for 1 week for $100. So come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And you can like our Healthy Treats Market page on Facebook. Join our Healthy Treats Market support group to see what other customers are doing. Subscribe to our Healthy Treats Market YouTube channel. I've got over 100 videos there that you can see how different you can make things. And then if you don't live nearby, you can always order online at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you.